pretty good carrot. If you want to learn how to actually grow your own and harvest your own tasty carrots like these, then definitely stick around. Today we're talking about growing and harvesting your own carrots, and it is harvest time here at our homestead, and there's so many things that we've learned in this growing season that I want to share with you. So that's just what we're going to do today. Now, carrots can be grown in the ground, in container beds, in raised beds. We actually have them in our raised container beds here. These are about 2-foot beds, and we were able to import our own soil into them, which really helps, because if you do want to grow a really good carrot that isn't super crazy, so for example, this carrot obviously is real funky. It's not like the grocery store ones that you'll see. It has a lot of turns and twists, and by having a really good loomy soft soil, it's going to make it so that this doesn't actually happen to your carrots when they grow in here, because they're going to continue to grow regardless of what's in there to resist them from growing. Now, if there's rocks, pebbles, wood chips, anything like that that are really thick, then it is going to have to divert its path and create this funky carrots. So if you want to grow some really good straight carrots, then you will want to make sure that you're using a good soft soil. But there's more than that you need to know when growing carrots. I'm Danielle of the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we bring you new content on homesteading. And if this is the kind of stuff that you like to listen to, then definitely hit that subscribe button, because we'd love to have you along for our journey. And today we're talking all about carrots. So the best time to plant your carrots, the best time that the carrots are going to taste amazing, nice and sweet, is going to be in colder weather. So you're definitely going to want to make sure to plant them either in the spring or fall when they're able to grow in a colder season. And this is going to make the taste of the carrots a lot better. Carrots do not take too much time to mature, so I definitely suggest planting them in mid-spring, and then every 2 weeks you can keep adding more and more seeds to the ground. We definitely suggest overseeding and then going back in and thinning out. And this way the carrots will be able to get more nutrients and grow nice, strong carrots like this really big one here, as opposed to some of these little tiny wimpy ones right here. We did not go in and thin ours out, and it's definitely a lesson that I've learned, because this is just a crazy sad carrot. This has been in the ground for a really long time. It's really small, really bad shaped. This is going to be something that I'm going to feed to our rabbits, but if you do go in and actually thin them out, you can get a nice big one like this, and it'll probably taste really good. We'll clean it off a little bit and try it. Oh, a little sand in there. Oh, pretty good though. Are definitely a little sand from the ground. Probably not something you should try at home. Now that you've gotten your carrots in the ground, after around 60 to 80 days, they will be ready to harvest. And you'll know that your carrots are ready to harvest because there will be a nice bump up of your carrots, and they will most likely have a nice vibrant color, a nice vibrant orange. But there are a lot of different varieties in carrots. I know there's some purple ones and white ones, so you can't always trust that vibrant color, especially on those white carrots that are out there. So I definitely suggest that you wait until they bump up. Now, if you're not ready to eat a bunch of carrots, then fear not, you don't have to harvest them in that time. You can leave them in the soil, and they're actually going to keep a lot longer, because the soil is going to act as a natural refrigerant for them. It's going to keep those molecules and minerals inside to let them keep on growing. So we're going to go ahead, harvest ours, and give any of those smaller ones that I should have thinned out but didn't to our rabbits. And if you want to check out some more content on gardening, then check out some of these videos here, and we'll see you guys again next time.